Welcome to the STEM Blueprint. Today we are mastering how to evaluate limits analytically. We will look at direct substitution, factoring and rationalizing. Let's jump straight into the first problem. So we have problem 1. And it is based on direct substitution. Problem number 1. We have limit x approaches 3 of 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. The first step of any analytical limit is always direct substitution. We just plug in 3 for x. So that gives us 2 times 3 square minus 4 times 3 plus 5. So 2 times 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 3, that is 12 plus 5. So 9 to the 18 minus 12 plus 5. So 18 minus 12, that is 6 plus 5, and 6 plus 5 is what? 11. So our limit is 11, as simple as that. Now we'll take another problem, that is problem number 2, and that is factoring 0 over 0 indeterminate form. Now the problem number 2 is the limit x approaches 2 of x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. So first, if we try direct substitution, then what we will get? If we put x is equals to 2, then the answer will be 2 squared minus 4 over 2 minus 2. But 2 squared 4 is 4 minus 4 over 2 minus 2. Now we will get 0 by 0. So this is called indeterminate form. To fix this, we need to factor the numerator, and that is limit x approaches to 2, and we have to do factor of x squared minus 2 squared over x minus 2. So it can be written as limit x approaches 2, and if we will factorize this, then we will get x minus 2. In another bracket, we will get x plus 2 over x minus 2. What we have done here, we are putting the formula a square minus b square, that is a plus b in a bracket and a minus b in another bracket. So here we will cut x minus 2 to x minus 2, and rest we will get limit x approaches 2 and x plus 2. Now we can write 2 at the place of x. So we will get 2 plus 2, that is 4. So this is our final answer. That's how you find limits analytically. If this step-by-step guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more epic calculus and physics review. See you in the next video.